The new Huawei MatePad 11.5 aka the new MatePad 2023 is a compact, affordable tablet that weighs just 499 grams. The tablet runs harmonious and retains support for Google Apps via Gbox and the Huawei App Gallery. The wireless keyboard is detachable to offer a PC-like experience. 1.5mm key travel ensures a comfy typing experience, and the MatePad also supports a wireless mouse. 2. Gorgeous 11.5-inch 120Hz full-view display with quad speakers. The MatePad 11.5 with its bundled keyboard, fast Wi-Fi 6 and Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 CPU offers a sleek user experience and also has a full-featured Install a WPS Office with desktop PC-like features.